An analysis of the NIOS Economics lessons on the Sundaresh SS channel reveals a structured, student-centric approach to teaching complex economic theories. The channel covers foundational topics essential for the NIOS curriculum, including production, supply, cost, revenue, and the monetary system. Core pedagogical themes. The instructional style across these videos typically follows a consistent pattern designed to make economics accessible to remote learners. 1. Systematic chapter-wise coverage. The lessons are organized by specific curriculum chapters, ensuring that students can follow along with their NIOS textbooks. For example, Microeconomics Fundamentals, lessons on production and supply, break down how firms operate and how markets react to price changes. Financial literacy. Chapters like money and its role and banking and credit translate abstract financial concepts into understandable everyday logic. 2. The guided reading technique. A hallmark of these sessions is the active reading of the textbook alongside the student. This helps learners identify key terms and definitions, understand how to interpret economic diagrams and tables, learn the proper academic vocabulary required for NIOS examinations. 3. Application and problem solving. In lessons like cost and revenue, the focus shifts toward the relationship between variables. The instruction emphasizes how total, average, and marginal costs interact, which is a critical area for exam scoring. Analysis of key lessons. Topic: Primary focus, educational value, supply, law of supply, determinants and shifts in supply curves. Teaches students to visualize market movements through graphing. Production. Factors of production, land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship, and the law of diminishing returns. Explains the physical constraints and efficiencies of manufacturing. Banking and credit. Functions of commercial banks and the role of the central bank, RBI. Connects economic theory to the real-world financial system and credit creation. Cost and revenue. Profit maximization and cost structures for a firm. Critical for understanding how businesses make decisions on output. Strategic observations. Duration. The videos range from 40 to 60 minutes, mirroring a standard classroom period. This allows for a deep dive into the material rather than a superficial overview. Interaction. The sessions appear to be recordings of live or one-on-one tutoring, providing a conversational tone that reduces the dryness often associated with economic theory. Accessibility. By focusing on the NIOS curriculum specifically, the channel serves a vital niche for students who may not have access to regular physical coaching but need to pass standardized national exams. For students looking to master these concepts, it is recommended to have the NIOS Economics PDF or physical book open while watching, as the lessons frequently reference specific page numbers and exercises. YouTube video views will be stored in your YouTube history, and your data will be stored and used by YouTube according to its terms of service.